So here I go, trying to put in some of those. Okay. And for you guys, I'd like you to just take a few seconds to see if you captured some of the data, some of the information that's on the page, even if it's not quite in the right place or exactly like the leaf that you're looking at. Nice work, you guys.
So it has to be kind of a smoothie. Okay? So the DNA is there, okay? It's floating there. But we don't want the pieces of strawberries. We don't want the proteins that hopefully were like precipitated with the salt. So we want to get rid of that. So that's why we are going to filter this, okay? We are going to use the barrier of a coffee filter, or in my case, a cheesecloth to do this. Okay, so if you are ready, guys, take your time, just very carefully filter this, okay? I don't know if you can see it there.
So black side on the red.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Does this look good?
Yes, that looks great, Andrew.
And you want to aim it at a bright light source, so like the window or a light bulb. And so you can take it exploring with you when you go for hikes in the woods or down to the ocean.
Everyone should have these out and in reach. And we're gonna start with our piece of paper. And your job for the weekend is to track, because we have day 2, day 3, day 4. We'll be recording the height for the next 3 days. And I wanna see what everyone's heights are for the next 3 days.
Don't hold it like this, don't hold it like this, don't pretend to stab your friends. So see what I'm doing here? So I'm pressing it down to the first stop, and then I can push a little bit harder and it'll go down a little bit more. That's called the second stop. And I'll explain what that is in a minute, but I want to make sure everybody feels that, because that's the source of almost all pipetting errors, is not knowing where that first stop is. I'm just gonna try this and see if I can get this to go into the well. Oh, there we go. So I'm taping it onto my stirring rod like this, and then I'm gonna put it into my alcohol, and I'm gonna set it aside, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully we get some results here. Oh, that's great. Yeah, you've got lots of separation there. Really good.
Same Jungwon.
Guys, you guys are doing much better than I did. Give me a thumbs up if you see the red in the leaf mush liquid.
When you remove it from the leaf, it doesn't make the glucose anymore and instead emits it as red fluorescence.
That is excellent, Catherine. I couldn't have said it better myself.
The topic area we decided to work on was how we can make medicine taste better.
More than 8 million tons of plastic is dumped into our oceans every year. Our solution is red algae.
The system we designed should reduce or maybe even get rid of CO2 from escaping into the atmosphere.
We are all in a world that I don't think any one of us imagined we would be in right now. And it just lifts my spirits to know that this next generation of science innovators, you guys are ready. You guys are going to take on the challenges that this world is facing and knock it out of the park.
So with that, I want to thank all of you again. You guys have been amazing.
Yeah, it was great to meet you all. And feel free to reach out with any sort of question. You know, just continue to create and think. And
Awesome. Thank you.
find what inspires you.
Yes, definitely.
Wow, you all look yellow now.